So I have this BB gun with the buttstock broken, so I'm going to be repairing it. I think I'm going to use just a piece of this pine wood. I didn't have any wood laying around that was the correct thickness, so I cut it down on the table saw and then sent it through the planer. You could cut it down completely on the table saw to the correct thickness. I just wanted to use my planer. Okay, so I have it planed down to roughly the same thickness as this piece. So I'm just going to trace out what I think the buttstock should look like on this piece, and then I'm going to take it over to the bandsaw and cut it out. Now I'm going to mark the holes to drill a pilot hole through right there and up here. Now it's time to put some finish on this. I'm just going to use some Minwax wood finish. This is Golden Pecan. Just so that I can put some color on it. I don't really care what it is. And then I'm going to spray some polyacrylic or polyurethane on top of it. It's not a lot of color, but it's better than just having it plain wood. Alright guys, here it is. It's pretty rough, but I think it'll work out just fine because it's just a cheap BB gun anyway, so, and it works.